In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an essay with the ChatGPT mobile app. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow you can follow from your phone to move from an idea to a polished essay while staying organized and in control of your voice. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your phone. Create a new chat so the conversation is dedicated to this essay alone. A fresh chat helps the app focus on your topic without mixing in previous context. Next, type your essay topic or prompt clearly. Include any requirements your instructor gave you, like the word count, tone, audience, and point of view. For example, you might say, write a college-level essay on climate change, 1,000 words, informative tone, third person, with a clear thesis. The more specific you are about tone, word count, or perspective, the closer the result will be to your style. Before drafting, ask ChatGPT to create an outline. An outline gives you a bird's-eye view of structure, introduction, key arguments, supporting evidence, and conclusion, so you can catch gaps early. Review the outline carefully. Compare it to your assignment and your own ideas. Ask for changes, reorder sections for better flow, add or remove points, or request more depth in areas you care about. Don't move on until the outline reflects the essay you actually want. Now ask ChatGPT to write a draft based on the approved outline. Remind it of the tone and length you want. If transitions or a stronger thesis are important, say so here. Read the draft closely and identify parts to revise or expand. On mobile, you can copy a sentence or paragraph and ask, expand this with a real-world example, or strengthen the analysis here. Targeted prompts lead to better revisions than asking for a full rewrite. When the content is in good shape, ask ChatGPT to improve clarity, grammar, or style. You can request a specific style, concise, academic, persuasive, while keeping your voice consistent. If your assignment requires sources, use ChatGPT to generate citations, references, or examples. Provide the source details you plan to cite, specify the style you need, APA, MLA, or Chicago, and ask for consistent formatting. Always verify citations and quotations against the original sources. Finally, proofread the entire essay yourself to ensure originality and accuracy. Check facts, logic, and the overall flow. Read it aloud to catch awkward phrasing and make sure it sounds like you. With these steps, you'll turn your phone into a powerful assistant for clear, well-structured essays.